The business models of technology companies are undergoing a significant change. In the past, these companies sold products with perpetual licenses that were implemented over a long period of time, often with significant customization. However, we have entered an era of subscription or consumption-based models. This shift is changing what is sold, how it is sold, and how the customers are served. The traditional software revenue model typically involved selling licenses to use software products. This model was often based on a one-time purchase where customers paid a large upfront fee to use the software. Now, in the SaaS world, the customer pays much less upfront and indeed, sometimes nothing at all. You only get to charge the customer when the customer utilizes the product. In such a world, if you want to maximize the revenue potential of a customer, you need to coordinate all the efforts of the different people in the company. Who does that? Is it the chief sales officer? No.